Hi there, in today's video we are going to finish the bricklaying, and I don't want to waste your time by showing every day the same things, and we will finish the bricklaying in this video, and we will start from tomorrow applying the plaster on a wall. And now it's door frame. We adjust the laser level to straight the door frames, and actually this work a six door frame, and we actually it slows down our work. And now I use the string line for the bricklaying, but I realized after a work that it's invisible on a camera, but I use that. Maybe I will explain in another video how to use these things for the work. It's very simple, not so difficult. As you see, I just actually my son adjusted the laser level for the door frame, and last row for the door frame, and we will use a rebar, 12mm rebar for the top of the door frame. High from the floor, and it's about 3600 millimeters from the floor. It's very high, and it's very difficult to lay bricks. Okay, here we go. Okay. Moisten the bricks and walls for removing the dust from the bricks and walls. Actually, if you will not remove the dust from bricks or walls, the cement compound might lose its quality. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Here we go. This is a bathroom wall which I designed for the master bedroom, and we almost finished these bathroom walls, and we are going to finish the master bathroom, and also we will finish today the bedroom for the kids and child room. And here we go. Okay, we have a lot of corners here which slow down our work. You have to turn all the time to build the same row the other side. It's very difficult when you work and very high from the floor. And actually I fastened the aluminum profile for not to use for every row laser level, and it's very difficult when you for every row to adjust the laser level. That's why I fastened the aluminum profile to the end, and I will use this profile instead of using the laser level for every row. Okay, here we go. And okay, my son moistened the bricks for me, and he bring the he waits until I laid the bricks, and he moistened the other bricks to me. It's very hard to work like that, but it increases our work quality, because if you don't moisten the bricks, and if you don't moisten brick, it sucks the cement compound water, and the cement compound might lose the quality. And here we go, we start. We started to lay bricks for the child room, and here we go. If you haven't watched our previous video about wall decoration and bricklaying, and please watch the other video as well. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and give the thumbs up. And It was a last video about bricklaying. Thanks for watching, and please share this video with your friends and to support our channel to grow. I will make a lot of videos about the renovation, everything is related with the renovation.